Good morning, students. We are studying Unit 4 Performing Arts. In the previous video, we have completed Unit 3, that was Thrill in School Life. So, students, I have given you task to look at these pictures and this question I have given you. I hope you all have done this one. Students, what is the meaning of art? Art refers to the various branches of creative activity. Means whatever creative we are doing. What is creative? Creative means जो एक पॉइंट पे आके नहीं रुक रहा है. So many things like आप डांस की फॉर्म्स देख लो, कितने टाइप का डांस है, कर सकते हो. Painting, so many kind of paintings you can do. Okay, that is creative activity such as painting, music and dance, etc. So that is art. So students, this page up to here we won't do. Okay, we will start from this one. A, music has been a source of entertainment for ages. So music entertains us. You also like music. Whenever we feel bored, if we listen to our favorite songs, we feel much better. It is the universal language of mankind. So music, it's not like कि कोई language barriers हैं इसमें. We like music, said Longfellow. It is also found in nature in the form of sound of a running brook. Running brook means a small stream. पहाड़ों में देखो नदी के बहने की आवाज़ आती है. So that is also music. Even जब हवा चलती है, rustling of leaves की आवाज़ आती है, सरसराहट leaves की, that is also music. The chirping of the birds is also music. The rumbling of the waves, that sound waves produce, that is also music. The singing of a cricket in the grass and many more. These all are music. A1. Read the following details about Vanessa May, who is an internationally renowned violinist. So we are going to study about Vanessa May. She is internationally renowned. बहुत अच्छी international level की क्या है वो violinist हैं. She used to play violin. Vanessa May, classical blends with pop. That means it's a story of a violinist who mixes classical music with pop. Classical means old form of music and pop it's a new form. Vanessa Mae Nicholson, a British violinist, was born on 27 October 1978. She is Thai Chinese. So she is half Thai, half Chinese. She was born in Singapore. Her mother is Chinese and her natural father is Thai. That's why she was Thai Chinese. But now she lives with her mother Pamela and her stepfather Graham in London. So her mother has married again. So she has a stepfather. His name is Graham. She lives in London with both of them. Vanessa, at the age of 8, studied at Central Conservatory Music of Beijing, and at 10 she became a student at the Royal College of Music in London. So her schooling, in the very beginning her schooling was in China. Then afterwards she got an admission in the Royal College of Music in London. She loves both classical and pop music. So both type of music she like. The sales of her albums have reached several millions, so she was very popular. Vanessa's favorites are Mozart, Beethoven, and Tchaikovsky, Beatles, Elvis Presley, Michael Jackson, Prince, and Paganini. So these are her favorite musicians or singers. An important characteristic of Vanessa's music is the fusion of classical music with pop music. So what makes her music different from others? That is a blend. That is a mixture of classical as well as pop music. She has mixed both. Okay, for which she has also incurred the wrath of some of her teachers. She mixed both the music. That's why her many teachers were angry at her also. So what do you understand by the phrase fusion music? So fusion music means mixture of various forms of music, that is fusion music. Now, A2. Shruti's dream was to become a member of fusion band and play at the concert. There is a girl Shruti. She had a dream. She wanted to be a member of a fusion band. okay, those who play classical that mix with other forms of music. But there was something which had taken away her peace of mind. So that was her dream, but something was there. Because of that thing, she was not able to concentrate. Was she able to fulfill her dream? Read the story and find out. So let's read the story and we will see that her dream was fulfilled or not. What was her dream? To become a member of fusion band and play at the concert. Now, twin melodies. Twin melodies. Okay. Shruti Sharma was by far the best in the class of senior violinists of Sangeetika Music School. She was one of the best violinists in the music school. The name was Shruti Sharma. Of course, she had an advantage over the others, for she was Nabin Master's daughter. Guru Nabin Sharma was the principal of this school. So means she was at the advantage. उसका कुछ फ़ायदा भी था because the principal of the school was her father. That was Nabin Master. Music was in Shruti's blood. So his principal's daughter and music में उसके father इतने अच्छे. So music was in her blood. Melody runs in her veins. जैसे हमारी veins में blood move करता है तो melody was in her veins. Reality practically कोई melodies नहीं थी. That means कि genes में ही music था. ठीक है. The reviewer of the Prabhatpuri Daily Clarion had commented after one of the stage performances. ऐसा किसने लिखा था? ऐसा एक न्यूज़पेपर ने लिखा था उसके बारे में, श्रुति शर्मा के बारे में. From the time her father had placed a baby violin in her hands at the age of 6, Shruti had taken to the instrument as a bird takes to the air. अब क्या है? She was quite young. She was only 6 years old. Her father gave her a baby violin at that time, and she started playing that with no leaps and bounds. Now, just 9 years later, she was already improving with confidence and left her listeners wanting more. So after 9 years also she was improving. She was improving and everyone likes to listen to her while she used to play violins. Tonight, decided Shruti as she watched her father, I will tell him tonight after dinner. So she decided in her mind that after dinner she is going to talk to her father about that thing, about that fusion band. The family of three ate dinner, and as they listened to a rendition of Raga Jinjoti on the radio. So the family was having dinner, and while taking a dinner, they were listening to the performance of Rag Jinjoti on the radio. As Leela Devi, Shruti's mother, cleared the table, Shruti took a deep breath and said. So afterwards, when the dinner was over, her mother was cleaning the table, and at that time, Shruti talked to her father. Father, I have something to say to you. I would like to ask your permission. Her voice pattered out uncertainly. So, why she was afraid of her father while she was trying to tell him that what she had a dream of something. At that time she lost power to speak. She was so afraid. What is it? Asked Nabin Master absent-mindedly. So Nabin Master, she was not paying much attention to her, and he asked, what you are trying to say?" His eyes were closed as he sat in his old cane chair. He was taking a little rest. "It is about a concert that I have been asked to play in," said Shruti. Then she said that she wanted to take part in a concert. Nabin Master opened his eyes in surprise. He asked softly, "Concert? What concert? You know I don't permit more than one public performance in 6 months, and you just had a concert a few weeks ago." Then she said, "I want to take part in a concert that is a music performance, जहाँ पे सब अपनी music की performance देते हैं, that is a concert." Then Nabin Master, he said, "You know Shruti, I don't give these kind of permissions. मैंने तुम्हें इतनी permission दी है that only once in 6 months you are supposed to do this stage performances, and अभी तो तुमने किया था, then again you are asking." Okay, so students, up to here only we will study today, and in the next video we will take up the rest of the chapter. If you want to read it, you can read it by your own also. Okay, otherwise हम तो पढ़ेंगे ही. Fine. Thank you students. Have a nice day.